Printing has evolved. With digital media changing how people communicate, we've evolved too by investing in the latest digital printing technology that's faster, more affordable, and highly customizable. At Best Printing USA, we don't just press print, we review, we connect, we care. You can order printing from a lot of places, but you have to feel confident that your project will come out exactly as you were expecting it to, and it will be delivered on time. Order from any other company, and if there are problems or special requests, just try getting someone on the phone. Not at Best Printing USA. We answer the phone in person every time, and we're here to help. It's our commitment to you. We check every file carefully for any issues so your project comes out perfectly. With our online PDF proofing system or optional hard copy proof samples, you'll see every page in detail before anything gets printed. No surprises, no compromises. At Best Printing USA, our business is built on trust. Clients rely on us for top quality results, and they stay for our communication, our service, and our follow-through. We've grown over the years, but we've never lost that small shop mentality. We'll answer your call, we'll respond to your email, and we'll even offer ways to make your project shine brighter. Because with Best Printing USA, you don't just get a final product, you get a trusted partner.